गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम इजिप्ट। और शो बहुत अच्छा हुआ कल का और हम जा रहे हैं पिरामिड देखने। फाइनली चलते हैं, पहले बड़ा नाश्ता करते हैं। श्रद्धा हाउ रेडी टू एक्सप्लोर?
यस।
आज पिरामिड देखेंगे। देखो आज भी कितना ही तुम कर लो, अच्छा तो नहीं
चलो 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 जा रही हूँ, बाय।
जल कुकड़ी। माय फोन।
Hi.
हेलो।
Hello.
You can also say hi.
Driving. You live?
Yeah, no, I'm not live.
Let's
I'm recording a video. I'm making a vlog.
Okay. So will be famous in India?
A little bit.
Huh?
Little bit.
No, I mean we will.
Yes, you will become famous. Yeah. ये पिरामिड का छोटा भाई है, सौतेला नाजायज औलाद।
पूरा नहीं करा गया।
इसलिए पूरा नहीं हो रहा है इसको। नाजायज कहीं का। ये दोनों कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं वैसे? पक्का पिरामिड ही ले जाएंगे ना ये लोग? हाँ। कायरो, छट्टू सा कायरो।
هو اليوم الاخر نيجي من اليوم بتاع المطار بتاع موروكو وقعد لي بتاع سنه الا ربع كان عامل ايه؟ خلص
एक चीज़ मैंने नोटिस किया ना यहाँ पे कि जो आउटर एरिया में भी हम आ गए हैं ना, यहाँ पे भी जितने भी गरीब लोग रहते हैं बट यहाँ पे भी गंदगी नहीं करते हैं। पंचर की दुकान देखो कितनी साफ़ है। पंचर की दुकान कितनी साफ़ है, बताओ। शर्म करे यार हम इंडिया वाले।
Right hand side, that's the citadel of Saladin.
अच्छा।
The citadel dates back to 1172.
ओके।
The mosque we see inside there at the top, that's the mosque of Muhammad Ali Pasha.
ओके बादशाह।
Muhammad Ali Pasha.
Pasha.
One that is there now. Here, besides the royal mummy room, it has one main gallery where it has some pieces kind of telling the story of the evolution of the Egyptian civilization back in the days, with some kits about the different crafts like bakery, jewelry makers, buildings, and writings, and so it is an interesting, nice, small museum.
ओके।
But mainly
अच्छा इस रिवर
it's
का नाम
it's
है?
the only Nile we have in Egypt. It's the only river we have in Egypt. Since the old
Can you
days.
see this in the evening while coming back? यह दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी नदी है नील नदी, इसको नाइल कहते हैं यहाँ पे अंग्रेजी में। और उसको हम क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी नदी।
Like back in the days, it was all smooth and white outside.
तो ये सिक्योरिटी गेट पे हम लोग हैं अभी। वहाँ जो कुकुर है वो अभी हमें सूंघेगा, फिर हमें अलाउ करेगा जाने के लिए। कुकुर कुकुर कुत्ता। अरे तुम्हें नहीं दिख रहा, आगे दिख रहा।
कहाँ गए?
हम हैं अभी द ग्रेट गेट, द पिरामिड्स ऑफ गीज़ा। हमारे गाइड साहब हैं, महमूद साहब साथ में हैं।
Nice to see you. Okay. No worries.
से नमस्ते।
Namaste. This one I know. Namaste.
तो अभी हम अंदर जाएंगे, भाई साहब पूरा डिटेल में जानकारी देंगे, मज़ा आने वाला है इस
ये
vlog
है
में।
यहाँ के गाइड
Yes.
और ये हमारे गाइड।
हो जाता है ना। कितना पैसा है तुम्हारे पास भाई? देखो बहुत पैसे में घूम रही हो। हाँ 1400 इजिप्टियन पाउंड है। सर को पेमेंट तो कर दो, सर को पेमेंट तो कर दो। यस। सही। तो 1400 इजिप्टियन पाउंड माने भारतीय पैसे में अगर मैं कन्वर्ट करूँ तो 700 रुपये लगे हैं, लगभग 720 रुपये। तो यहाँ पे शटल बस की सुविधा उपलब्ध कराई गई है और अभी इसी में हम बैठेंगे और फिर सारे पिरामिड्स को देखेंगे। एक्साइटेड? हम क्या यहाँ ब्लैक ब्लैक खेल रहे हैं।
थोड़ा इस तरह से बनाना था आपको, लेकिन वही
अरे कहाँ रह गए? आ जाओ भैया। चलो पैनोरमा द फर्स्ट स्टॉप। वाओ देखो उधर देखो, आ गए हम पिरामिड के पास। क्या बात है, दूर से कितना मस्त लग रहा है। ये कतार क्यों लगी है? अच्छा वापस बस के लिए लगी है। भाई मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, सनस्क्रीन लगा के आना, बहुत खतरनाक धूप होती है। और गर्मी में कभी मत आना यहाँ पे। ठंडी चल रही है, मज़ेदार है यहाँ पे, तो मज़ा आ रहा है। मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि गर्मी अगर होगी तो कितनी ज़्यादा होगी। तो ड्यूरिंग समर इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट हियर।
Too hot.
टू हॉट।
Too hot.
यस, तो हम लोग भी ठंडी में है तो मज़ा आ रहा है। ठंडी हवाएं बह रही हैं तो ये जैकेट में मज़ा आ रहा है, बट गर्मी में मत आना। ओह
We're gonna get closer to the two great pyramids.
okay, okay. So you were telling me about this three pyramids, the story.
Yeah. So here we can get an idea about or we get the view of the three Giza pyramids, the Great Pyramids of Giza. The first and the largest one on the left-hand side, that's the Great Pyramid of Khufu. The largest pyramid we have in Egypt and the only wonder still standing of the ancient world. Then the second pyramid for his son, Khafre. The one we still have the top of the pyramid in a good shape, covered in white, smooth limestone, giving us an idea how the pyramids used to look like back then. Then the smallest one for the grandson, Min Kaure. And if we come a little bit closer here, you will see three little pyramids over there.
Okay.
We know as
Yes.
the pyramids of the Queen.
These three, yeah. Okay.
The pyramids in ancient Egypt, they were, or the Pyramidian shape. Of the Great Pyramid, the greatest pyramid of Giza, one of the greatest mysteries all over the whole world. That's the one that I'm discussing and searching how the Egyptians made it back then. The Great Pyramid alone, the Egyptians back then used almost 2.5 million pieces of stones, rocks to build only the Great Pyramid. Mainly they used limestone pieces. Average weight 2 tons up to 15 tons per piece. While the inner corridors, as we've reached 3 chambers inside with the Grand Gallery, the inner parts made out of or built out of red granite. The one piece of red granite inside the Great Pyramid reaches 70 tons. 70 tons. Makes the average weight of the whole pyramid is almost 60 million tons. Almost 100,000 workers got involved in building the Great Pyramid.
When did they make this? When did they make
Almost
this?
2600 BC,
Oh.
during what we know as 4th Dynasty or Kingdom. It took them 20 years to build only the Great Pyramid.
2600 before Christ.
Before Christ. So it is 4,600 years old now, this Great Pyramid. We knew about the workers through the ruins we can see over there. These are the ruins of the tombs of the workers. and it gave us a great idea about the workers who worked here and built the pyramid. We knew they were getting paid for their job, and they were having lunch included on site. Even we knew about how they've been divided in groups, as each 10 workers have a supervisor, each 10 supervisor, chief supervisor, and until the
During
project
that time?
manager. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, it was well organized, as that was the national project of the whole country. The King Khufu himself,
So what was the reason? What was the reason to make this?
to make the pyramids.
Yeah.
So far, the most common theory is building the pyramids as tombs for the king himself, a tomb for the pharaoh. So we have here the 3 generations: the father, the son, and the smallest for the grandson.
So they made these together or one by
No,
one after
this
the...
used to be made within the lifetime of the king. So when the king Khufu was ruling and was in power, he ruled for about 25 years. With get crowned as a king, they start building his tomb. Like here we have the pyramid, in Luxor we have the Valley of the Kings, where the tombs being cut in the mountain. But all happen to be done within the lifetime of the king. So the king actually was watching this being built, and he saw it when it was full.
And how much time they took?
This one, 20 years.
20 years.
20 years.
In 20 years they made this?
They made this, yes.
I thought it was around 100 years.
No, just as 20 years. Yeah, and that shows the perfection and the professionalism back then. And it's not just about building a great pyramid or a huge building. The mathematics about it, it's 149.4 meters. And as we were talking about, it's 4,600 years. To see that building lasting that long, it must be been made on a really great mathematical design. As the corridors inside, as we mentioned, we reached 3 rooms inside the pyramid, but a new study or a new research is ongoing, excavating or talking about a new room. But that's still like, yeah, no, the room is there. They are just working on how to reach that corridor or that room through the right corridor, as you cannot just simply make your own roadway inside the pyramid. While the second pyramid, we found also only one room underneath the pyramid, and the third pyramid too. On the side, we can see the ruins of the 3 little pyramids on that side over there. Again, those are the pyramids of the queens. Pyramids of the queens. See? 2 of the 2 ones in the king and 1 for the queen. Makes number of pyramids we have here. How many? 3 great one, and 3 small ones here, 3 small ones next to the small pyramid. That make them 9. But all over Egypt we have almost 120 pyramids.
Made by many kings.
Yeah. Each pyramid for one king, except one king called Senefru, the father of Khufu. He has 2 pyramids. As he started the first complete pyramid, but the first complete pyramid didn't end well, as they had to change the angle at the top part of it, resulted in what we know as the bent pyramid. But he wanted a full pyramid for himself that much, to the point just 500 meters away of the bent pyramid, he made his first complete pyramid. So he's the one has 2 pyramids, but every other king mostly have 1 pyramid.
साहू जी, छत्तीसगढ़ की महारानी, आओ दिखाते हैं आपको 7 वंडर्स में से एक पिरामिड। यस, अभी मैं गाइड है। भाई का भाई, सुल्तान भाई, सुल्तान भाई। वीडियो बन रहा है, आप तो ओम करो। तो ओम बोली तो ओम करूँगी, ओम करके दिखाओ। अरे सो अब ये सारे पिरामिड्स देख लिए हैं। भाई साहब हमें एक और बहुत अच्छा स्टैचू दिखाने ले जा रहे हैं जो मुझे देखना था, और वहीं जा रहे हैं। हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस? मज़ा आया? हल अकलता
Asha.
अशा, हल अकलता अशा मीन्स
Did you eat dinner?
डिड यू ईट डिनर? क्या तुमने खाना खाया? ये अभी हमने भाई साहब से सीखा। हल अकलता अशा एंड और अगर किसी को बोलना है, क्या बोलना है? चलो, तो क्या बोलना है?
Yela.
याला। क्या है? एक्चुअली इट्स वेरी नाइस, ब्यूटीफुल। वैली टेम्पल, अरे वाह, राम राम। वाओ, कितना सही लग रहा है।
And here that's wishing well. We found here a statue, but now the
निकालो के पैसे ऐसे
हाँ यार, बहुत पैसे हैं यहाँ पे।
Here, that's the place the Egyptians used to do the mummification, and we know it as Wali Temple. You can just be on one side here, as people can get in
Yeah.
and out. We see first there is nothing at all between the rocks here. It's the way how they cut the rocks and how they put it together. The mummification is still one of the secrets of the ancient Egyptians, but we knew more about the process. As we knew, it starts with an opening on the left side of the body, taking all the organs out. As for the brain, they get it out through the nose.
Oh
Yeah,
wow,
they break the skull, they get the brain out. The process takes 40 days up to 70 days to be done, to be finished. When it is done, just they put only the heart back inside the body. As the heart, that was the center of faith, of belief, and they believe that they will weigh the heart against the feather of the truth, the mind back then. So the one with good deeds, having good hearts, will go to the heaven, and the one with bad deeds, bad hearts, they will be punished. And punishment in ancient Egypt was some sort of a legendary animal. They call it Amam. The Amam has a head of a crocodile, a body of a lion, and a back of a hippopotamus. So the three animals get together, making legendary wilder animal. And the job of the Amam is to eat the hearts of the guilty people. By eating the hearts of the guilty people, they will have no afterlife. The other four organs,
what is the name of this?
so here that's the Sphinx, and that's the closest
Sphinx.
you can get Sphinx. Yeah, S-P-H-I-N-X. Sphinx. The Sphinx actually is the Greek name to this statue, as back in ancient Egypt they called it Chesed Ankh, means the live image, like the live image of the king. And it's kind of a guardian to the tombs of the pharaohs behind. It's made for the king, the builder of the second pyramid, King Khafre. So having the head of the King Khafre and the lion's body as a sign of power. We can see.
और हो कभी बैठो कि ऊँट पे?
The cars.
so अभी हम कॉफ़ी पी रहे हैं सुल्तान भाई के साथ नेस्कैफे के इस स्टोर पे।
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.
So as I told you, you know, she is the queen from Chhattisgarh, the last queen.
Nice to meet you,
So,
Majesty.
If you want to please her, you have to say Jai Chhattisgarh,
जय जोहार.
Jai Johar,
Jai Johar?
Jai Johar. like loud, Jai Johar.
But that's
Aggressive.
a good thing.
Yeah,
Sure?
aggressive way. Yeah,
Sure?
yeah,
I'll
yeah.
send it to Rohini.
No, Jai Johar is, it's like you're praising the nation, that nation. Yeah.
Jai Johar.
Yeah. Jai Chhattisgarh.
Jai Chhattisgarh.
Jai Maharashtra.
Ah.
Jai Maha
Jai Maha.
राष्ट्र
Jai Maharashtra.
जय महाराष्ट्र
Jai Maharashtra.
यस
Okay, I'll think about it. I'll always be with you. Even if you're far, my heart, your love in my heart. You're always in my heart, my soul. I'll never forget you. I'm always missing you, even when we're together. It will be a good song, like you sing in Hindi, I'll do it in Arabic. But I know my voice is not a singer. You know, royal families
Yes,
can
yeah.
appreciate Queen and the Sultan.
यस
You know?
सुल्तान जोड़ लिया
Great.
जोड़ लिया
That's our weddings, always crazy with music.
everyone is enjoying the wedding
Yeah. You see how many cars over there?
Finally, we are in Khanan Khalili market और छत्तीसगढ़ की महारानी श्रद्धा साहू के साथ और यहाँ के सुल्तान भाई के साथ हाँ बम्बई कुलाबा में है और कितना ही कमाल का मार्केट है यार ये वाह
By pyramid souvenir magnet.
Will you dance here? Have a look.
अच्छा है ना वाह ये डिफ्यूजर है ना अरे हाँ
मेंटल
अरे यार तो बहुत बड़ा है यार Wow, this is so good.
फिर हमारा स्टेरिंग कॉन्टेस्ट और मिडिल में
Dün de yanlış 5 var. Dün de öldüğünüz için verildi.
It's a hidden gem.
Oh,
Not reach on your phone. Yeah.
okay. क्या बात कर रहे हो
हाँ देखो ना
यार ये पूरा अंदर लेके आए हैं हम लोगों को ये मार्केट तो देखा ही नहीं था हमने कमाल है यार ये जो कटार
इधर जाना है ना हमको
जाएंगे
कहाँ है वो
सामने सब क्या है ये सब?
المكنه اسهل. المكنه حلوه في حاجات.
ये पीछे हटा देते हैं बढ़िया बढ़िया बन जाए।
अभी श्रद्धा को कन्विंस करने के लिए वो शकीरा बना रही है और श्रद्धा कन्विंस हो जाएगी, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है। ओह माय गॉड, शकीरा शकीरा, oh baby when you talk like that. तुमको फंसा रही है ये। भैया हेलो, क्या हाल है भाई, सब ठीक है? तो भैया कहाँ चली सवारी?
चालू नहीं किए थे ना?
नहीं।
कौन?
अरे बताओ कहाँ जा रही हो? कहाँ जा रही हो
जा
बताओ?
रहे हैं वापस
कहाँ?
अपने देश।
मुंबई?
Yes.
जरा छत्तीसगढ़ बोलोगे।
यहाँ पे झंडा गाड़ चुके हैं और अब
सही
जा रहे हैं।
सही। एक जैसा छत्तीसगढ़ की रानी ने कहा, झंडा गाड़ लिया हम लोगों ने। और कायरो शहर बहुत पसंद आया हमें, ये इजिप्ट देश बहुत पसंद आया। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस खनन खलीली मार्केट एंड यस, बहुत सारी मेरी प्लेलिस्ट है, आप लोग उस पर भी चेक करिए। मैं अपने लाइव शोज़ के वीडियोस डालते रहता हूँ, रिलीज़ के हैं, वो भी आप लोग देखा करिए। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्लॉग। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ट्रिप में, मज़े करेंगे, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर,
बाय बाय।